Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the future of American muscle. This is the 2025 Ford Mustang, a machine that blends cutting-edge technology with raw, unfiltered power. In today's video, we're diving deep into its key features, performance specs, design elements, and what makes this iconic pony car a true standout in its class. The 2025 Mustang embraces its heritage while stepping boldly into the modern era. The front grille is unmistakably Mustang, but it's been reshaped for a more aggressive and aerodynamic look. These sharp, angular LED headlights give the car a fierce, predatory stare. The hood vents aren't just for show. They optimize airflow to cool the powerful engine, improving both performance and efficiency. And with its muscular side profile, sculpted lines, and low stance, this Mustang looks fast, even when it's standing still. The heart of any Mustang. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang comes with a choice of powertrains, starting with a 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost engine producing a solid 330 horsepower. But if you crave more power, Ford offers the legendary 5.0-liter V8, cranking out a staggering 500 horsepower. That V8 isn't just about brute force, it's a refined beast. With advanced cylinder deactivation technology, it can switch to fewer cylinders when cruising to save fuel, but when you put your foot down, it roars to life with all 8 cylinders firing. 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds with the V8. The 2025 Mustang delivers blistering acceleration, and thanks to Ford's MagneRide active suspension system, the handling is razor-sharp. Whether you're on the track or winding roads, it's responsive, making every drive feel like a thrill ride. The Mustang, and you're greeted by a blend of classic muscle car spirit and modern tech. The 12.4-inch fully digital instrument cluster is highly customizable, letting you choose between a retro-inspired gauge setup or a more futuristic display. Ford's latest SYNC4 infotainment system is at your fingertips with a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen. It features wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced voice-activated navigation system. The layout is intuitive, and the system is lightning fast. Whether you're playing your favorite tracks or following your route, the Mustang keeps you connected. The 2025 model also raises the bar in terms of comfort. These sports seats are not only supportive during aggressive driving but also heated and ventilated for maximum comfort on long trips. Premium materials like leather, aluminum accents, and soft-touch surfaces add a touch of luxury, while staying true to the Mustang's performance roots. The 2025 Mustang apart from its rivals. Let's talk about some unique selling points. First, Ford has equipped the Mustang with multiple driving modes, including normal, sport, track, and a new drag strip mode. This last mode optimizes the car's launch control for maximum acceleration at the drag strip, giving you the edge when you're hunting for quarter-mile times. Then there's the active valve exhaust system. It allows you to switch between different exhaust tones, from a quiet mode for early morning starts to a roaring track mode when you want to hear every bit of that V8 rumble. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision warning with automatic braking, the Mustang ensures you're not only fast but also safe on the road. The 2025 Ford Mustang, it's a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. From the powerful V8 to the advanced tech inside, Ford has created a car that stays true to its roots while evolving for the future. Whether you're looking for a daily driver with some attitude or a track-ready muscle car, the 2025 Mustang has something for everyone. It's bold, it's fast, and it's unmistakably Mustang. The 2025 model is ready to lead the charge into the next era of American performance. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews of the latest cars. See you next time. Thanks watching this videos.